In this video, I'll show you how to apply for Bluehost affiliate program. Bluehost is a web hosting company where you can get your hosting plan and a domain at the same time for your WordPress website. So for those of you who don't know what Bluehost is, that's what it's all about. Alright, so to begin with, you need to be a Bluehost customer, okay? Meaning you need to be using Bluehost, because if you are using their product, then you can write good articles or good reviews for this particular product. The good thing about Bluehost affiliate program is that anytime somebody buy through your link, you get $65. Affiliate payment is available on the 16th of every month. You need to have a professional email address. Also, you need to have a website, okay? The reason for that policy is that you have to write reviews about their product, okay? So you cannot, even though you can do this on YouTube, but you need to have your own website, okay? Because they don't want people to be spamming their links on social media, okay? So that's why you need to have your own website. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna jump into it to show you how to apply for it, and also I'll show you how to apply for the tax form. All right, okay, let's get into it. So first of all, you need to, when you get to their website, you need to just scroll down all the way down, all right, and click on affiliate. All right, so on this page, you just have to click sign up. All right, so this is how the page look like. So I'll walk you through the process and show you how to apply for it, okay? All right, so now you have to choose a username, and please don't complicate things for yourself. Blogging. Let's pretend this is the username, okay? All right, so it's taken. That's why it says not available. So let's try and add something to it, okay? Let's say blogging Z, okay? Let's see if it's available. Okay, so now it's available, okay? So we are just using it as an example. Now moving on is the password. All right, so choose a password that is unique, okay, to you and nobody can remember, okay? So you type in here, then you confirm here, okay? So it's time to fill in your account information, okay? So first name, last name. John. All right, so the first name, let's assume John, and the last name is Doe, okay? Then your phone. All right, so let's pretend this is your phone number, okay? I'm just using random stuff, okay? For company name, you can use your blog website name or your personal name, okay? So let's pretend this is the company name. All right, then your address, okay? Your address, your city, your state, your postal code. Then email address. This is not your Gmail email address, okay? This is your professional email address. So for example, john@bloggingz.com, okay? That's what you have to use. Don't use Gmail. If you use Gmail, they will not approve it. Then you type in the name of your website. All right, don't use the www, just type in. All right, it could be any of your URL that you want to use, okay? For payment information, you need to set up PayPal account. If you don't have one, then you put your PayPal account email address here, okay? That it can be your Gmail email address or whatever. It's just the email address that you use to set up your PayPal account, because Bluehost will pay you through PayPal. All right, so that's how it works with Bluehost policy. All right, then you click on this, then you click sign up. All right, so now I've logged into my professional webmail to check my email, okay? And as you can see here, and it says welcome new Bluehost affiliate, okay? So this might take hours. If you don't have the necessary requirement too, that might slow your stuff down, okay? So always make sure you are using the right stuff when you're applying, okay? Now to begin referring, use your track link. So this is my track link right now, okay? All right, let's move on to the third one. 3. Before payment can be issued, your tax form must be approved and your account must reach at the $100 minimum requirement for the first payout. All right, if you don't have your tax form ready, you cannot withdraw money. All right. So you can view the affiliate terms and payment schedule. All right, so you can click on this and read the terms. It's really important. If you need any assistance with your affiliate account, please open an affiliate support ticket. That is if you have any questions, so you can chat. So to email the affiliate department, this is the email address. Okay, so you can just email them through this link. You need to get $100 minimum in your account before you can withdraw money. So technically you need 2 sales before you can start withdrawing. Okay, to be able to withdraw money, also you need to fill in your tax form. If you don't have your tax form ready, you cannot withdraw money. All right, so now I'm gonna log in into my affiliate account to show you how to get access to the tax form. All right, okay, so to log in, you're gonna just click on the affiliate link. All right, so this time around, you're not gonna click sign up, you're gonna click login. Okay, so you click on login. All right, so you can use your username or email address and your password. Okay, all right, then click login. Okay, so as you can see, this is the inside. All right, so right now I've not made any sales yet, so this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, all right, so to get your tax form, click on settings, then click on tax form right here. All right, so this is what you are interested in. Okay, forget about this. Are you a US person? See definition below. So if you are a US person, you click on yes. All right, then you're gonna get this. Okay, then you work on it. Okay, so you're gonna be filling all this if you're a US person. Okay, but if you say no, then this is what you're gonna get. All right, so then you fill this, then you submit. Okay, so since most of us are outside US, I'm gonna use the no. Okay, I'm not gonna type anything, I'll just walk you through. Typing takes too long, so I'm not gonna be typing. So first thing, name of individual who is the beneficial owner. Okay, so you type in your full name here, your country of citizenship. So let's say if, for instance, I'm living in Canada, I have to type in Canada. If you're living in Brazil, type Brazil. If you live in India, type Indian. Okay, then your street address. Okay, so fill in your address and do not use PO box. Okay, we don't want PO box here. Then your city, town, or state or region. All right, then your country name, you type in your country name here. Okay, mailing address if different from the above. Okay, then moving on, you see how it's moving fast. If I have to type, it's gonna take forever. So US tax identity, whatever. So here it doesn't apply to you. Okay, then here foreign tax identity number. In most countries outside US, well, except like the Western countries like Canada, UK, whatever, this applies. Okay, so Canada, for instance, you have to enter your social insurance number. Okay, if you are living in a country that has a tax identity number, then write your tax identity number. If not, please write not applicable. All right, reference numbers, just leave this side empty. Don't do it, don't type anything here, just leave it the way it is. Then your date of birth. Okay, so the month dash the day dash the year. Okay, then moving on. All right, so I certify that the beneficial owner is a resident of, then you type your country name. Okay, so for instance, I'm in Canada, I type in Canada. If you are in India, you type Indian. If you are in Brazil, you type Brazil. If you are in somewhere like Australia or Nigeria or South Africa, just type that. Okay, then special rates and conditions. The beneficial owner is claiming the provision of Article 7. This is Article 7, okay? And when you read the instruction from the beginning, all right, everything is there. Or even when you click here, okay, let me just try and open it. All right, so this is it. Okay, so this is the form. You can go through it. Let's go back. All right, so section 3, I decided to type in stuff just so I can explain to you properly. Okay, so here I certify that the beneficial owner is a resident of, in my case, Canada. In your case, it might be Indian. Then here is the Article 7. Okay, so you type in this, and this is the Article 7 I'm talking about, and explain the reason beneficial owner meets the terms of the treaty article. Beneficial owner has a permanent establishment only in Canada. In your case, type in your country here, okay? And all work is performed in Canada or in your country, let's say in India, okay? Let's move this thing. All right. So it starts from here, then we move to here, okay? All right, so when you're done, then you move on to the last section. So here, tick on yes in the checkbox, okay? That means you've read and understood. This is this one, okay? So you check the yes. Then here, signature of the beneficial owner. So because you are not using like a physical form, just type in your name here, okay, first and last name. All right, so here you just have to leave it like that because it says capacity in which acting if the form is not signed by beneficial owner, okay, but you are the beneficial owner, so you sign here, okay? So you're just gonna leave this empty because you are not signing for somebody, okay? Yeah, that is if you are filling the form for somebody who doesn't understood, but in most cases I will not advise you because this is good for companies and agencies, okay? Yeah, so you leave this one just the way it is. And when you are done, then click submit tax form, okay? It's gonna take a couple of days, okay? If you are living in the Western countries, it means you don't have to worry about tax penalties and stuff like that, because at the end of the year they will send you, Bluehost will send you, or will give you a link so you can go print your tax forms for your income tax, okay? But even if you are not living in Western countries or tax applicable countries, you still have to fill this and they know how to go about it, okay? All right, so I guess this brings me to the end of the tutorial, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and above all, subscribe. Thank you, and I'll catch you in another video. All right, take care. Bye bye.